The cornerstone of the CARDESIGN.ACADEMY experience is in live, personal interaction and community feedback. Using the latest online collaboration tools, we can deliver a learning experience much closer to that of a real studio or classroom. Here you'll receive personalized, real-world coaching and mentoring in your skill development. Bluescape is our virtual presentation room where students and instructors can present their work and engage in vibrant discussion. You can sketch and annotate each other's work, upload and download online content, share your inspiration. Images can also be downloaded directly into Photoshop or Sketchbook Pro, and instructors can engage in live sketch demonstrations. Gravity Sketch takes the live classroom experience to a whole new level in our certified 3D VR courses. Find out more at www.cardesign.academy.